We're gonna take a walk around the peaceful grounds of the Henderson Bird Viewing Preserve. It's a nice, peaceful, quiet oasis here on a beautiful day. Here's the pathway where we're gonna follow here. Hopefully we'll see some birds. I hear some birds. Well, what do you know? We hear some birds. This is nice. I hear some birds, and we've seen a couple. The lady at the information center said it's a little quieter today because of the heat. It's 100 degrees right now at 11 a.m. and it's going to be close to 110 today, so. This is an interesting place because it's kind of a quiet bird sanctuary, but it abuts the wastewater treatment plant, and they're doing some kind of construction over there, so we're hearing a good amount of construction vehicles. And as you can hear, we're on final approach to McCarran Airport over here, so you're getting airplane noise. I don't mind that at all, but it's not quite as peaceful as I thought it would be here. It's certainly a lot more peaceful than being in the center of Las Vegas.